Hey, Charlotte, can you tell me how Daddy snores when he sleeps?
He snores like a gorilla.
What does that sound like?
Like this.
How does Peppa snore?
What? Peppa snores like this.
How does Mommy snore?
Like this.
Just like Daddy? How does Charlotte snore? No, that's definitely too quiet.
Well, mine, because I don't snore.
Yes, you do!
How do I snore? Like this.
No, it's definitely not like that.